How to check Windows version in PC or laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will help you determine your Windows edition or your Windows version on your laptop or PC. Now before I teach you guys that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, you will need to open up your settings. So simply search for your settings on your Windows search bar and you'll find the settings option. Tap on it to open it up. After you're here, on the left hand side, you'll find the system option. Tap on system and after you're on the system section, scroll down. Here you'll find the About option where you will be able to see your device specification and Windows specification. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will be able to find your Windows version from here. So first you'll find the device specifications, and if you scroll down, you'll find the Windows specification right here. So as you can see, mine is Windows 11 Home Edition, and this is the version right here, 24H2, and you can see when it was installed and the OS build as well. And that's basically how you find out your Windows edition, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And bye-bye. Take care.